Hi, and welcome to Neodoesmakeup. I'm Neo, and today this Animakeup look is inspired by Human1. If you do not know who Human1 is, Human1 is the partner of One Topic. I feel like I'm kind of lucky in some ways because I got to kind of get to know Human1 because of Twitch. Not like personally, but just like getting to see them and just have fun, kind of like chatting with them while they're just having fun. It's just like really enjoyable. And honestly, I had planned originally just to do Human1 and actually no, originally I planned on OT, Click, and a few others because I was thinking about doing a whole week of videos, but because of Human1 streams, I was like, actually I can just shorten this into 3 and have the 3 that I really enjoy a lot. So yeah, that's why I had to finish off with Human1. I had to start off with OT because through OT I got to find these other people that inspire me. And Human1 does inspire me because they literally just have fun, do what they want, and they're just so kind. So greatly appreciate you. I know in your streams you also show a lot of love whenever I mention things. Like literally the first time I was on one of Human1's streams, I will never forget because we were talking about ancient reptilians and dinosaurs, and funnily enough, I'm wearing a Godzilla shirt. If you see Human1's like little character for Twitch, is literally her in a dinosaur outfit, and I'm just like, love it. And yeah, we were talking about ancient crocodilians. I got to talk about my favorite dinosaur, and it was just so different from anything else that I had experienced on Twitch or just like anyone's live in general. And it just made me like immediately feel like, okay, this person's fun. I might keep following them, and I have, and I've gifted a lot of subs. I've spent a lot of money on Human1's Twitch. I cannot lie. Yeah. And so, color story for this Human1. If you ever see anything for her, it is literally like green and pink, which is literally my favorite color combination. So I'm like, okay. And originally, I had a different look kind of planned out, but I had this, and it kind of took over for liner, and I'm not mad at all. Because then I got to like really have fun with this, and I really do love how this turned out. I am rambling now, so I'm going to stop talking. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already primed and set my lids. I'm using my NYX Ultimate Eye Shadow Primer. And I did set using Light Linen from the Morphe 35D palette. And this is what we're using today. Wow, that looks very different on camera. In person, these look pink. On camera, that look purple. And actually, the first shade I'm going to dip into is actually going to be Phoenix Flora. That is weird how like purple it looks on camera. It is like a very soft pink. But I'm actually going to be doing a different eye shade than what I've done recently. This is what I've been doing when I go to work. I don't know why I haven't done a video with it. Actually, I did. I just never put it up because it was forever ago. But we're going to do this. You're going to see. Like I said, we're going to put that high into the crease. Okay, you really cannot see that on camera, but it is a really nice soft pink. Next we're going to dip into Desert Garden. Using that same brush actually. So this is actually the Thor Love and Thunder and Ulta brush for blending. It's really nice actually. By the way, it is okay to be messy with this. Next, we're going to take the shade Cactus Fruit, which is borderline neon pink. You really cannot see that. Like now you can kind of see it. It looks really purple there. And we're going to take Cactus Fruit and pretty much kind of pack that on the lid. Taking a little more of the previous shade, Desert Garden, I'm going to just blend the edges of that out a little bit more. Okay, that's really pretty. I'm going to do that on this side. We're going to be right back to then start with the liner. So this is where things are going to switch up. I don't know which way I want to do it because I have two options. Because we're going to do a liner and we're going to smoke it out from here. I don't know if I just want to do a smoke and have this as a base, or if I just want to leave it as is and use this as a liner. Actually, this looks really pretty. We're going to use this. This is the Twin Flames by Danessa Myrick in the shade Soulmate, which honestly is really fun because it is a pink and green shift. Perfect. Okay. Wow. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. It's so fun having all the matte and then just that. Okay. Originally I was gonna smoke this out, but like I'm liking this just as is. Like, actually to finish off the inner corner of the liner, I'm gonna use the new L'Oreal Infallible, what's the name of this, Grip, just to get that inner portion of the eye. This is the shade green. Okay, so actually that is it for the upper portion of the eyes. I'm going to actually be real quick, I'm going to do the full face, and then we're going to come back for the under eyes. I'm really, this is so pretty. It's just flashing green, but it's so pretty. Oh, I like this. Let's just save that for the inner corner. Okay, we are back. I was not expecting this to turn out the way it is, but I am living. Okay. So underneath the eyes, we're mainly going to stick with these greens. Also this one too. This is kind of like a greenish yellow. And we're going to use that under the eye. Actually, I'm also going to take a little bit of Plant Zaddy. These names. Some of these are fun. We're going to run those under the waterline. I mean, not under the water. With the under eye. I cannot speak today. But because I normally go through this a little bit quicker, so it's going to be Plant Zaddy, mainly out here, then Suck on that, Sweet Sage to blend out, and then lowest is going to be High Noon. Maybe a little bit of Adobe or Light Linen, so literally just boom, 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 and then maybe one of these two to blend that out underneath. And let's go, because I do this normally really quick. It is also like 1 in the morning, so I want to get I want to go to bed. That is so pretty. So we're gonna do that again on this eye, and we're gonna be right back. Also, I'm probably gonna. I like how I pulled up the palette, but that doesn't even have a mirror. Let's see. I think I'm gonna add something in between, because I do have the line where this is going already, and this line here on this side. Actually, let me do this eye. We're gonna see how, because I might just blend it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm actually really liking this with the liner as is, without any like additional. I like the break actually. By the way, originally the idea is that I was gonna wrap this color up here and onto the lid, but after remembering I have this, it changed, and I'm kind of okay with that, like 100% okay with that. So, of course, it's just like everything keeps changing, but this one's, I think, is changing for the better. So I'm actually going to go take care of my waterline. I'm going to be using the NYX and La Casa de Papel. This is in the shade Jarana? Jarana? I don't know how you can pronounce it. I just look like I speak Spanish. But we're going to take care of that. My mirror almost fell. We're going to take care of that, and then we're going to come back to take care of the lips. Okay, so now let's take care of the inner corner. I'm going to actually go in with, oh, what do I want to use? I think I'm going to go with Yuka Yum, which is this shade right here. It's a very pale pinkish color. That is really pretty. I'm going to see if adding the Sundress Season, which is this shade right here, can brighten that up a little bit. That is so pretty. Okay. My only issue is like, I'm getting hard pan on these shimmers. I'm just going to see if I can pick it up better with a silicone paddle. Okay, there we go. That is so pretty. Okay, and now we're moving on to lips. For lipstick, or lip liner, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Age Perfect lip liner in nude pink. And we're going to be using the Nabla. This is the Soft Touch lipstick in the shade Elusive. I might go in with a gloss, and if so, I will be using L'Oreal. This is Porcelain Petal. This is their, oh my god, what's the name of this one? It's their Glow Paradise lip balm gloss thing. So yeah, we're gonna use most likely this trio. Okay, I'm going to set my face, let down my, oh my gosh, I literally just flashed back like a year and a half, almost 2 years. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna set my face. Okay, and here we are with the final look, and I cannot lie, I love this. I love this so much. Is it what I originally had planned? No. No. Is it better than what I had planned? Yes. Very much so. So I am very happy with this, actually. Also, the skin is just like good today. Okay. The highlight is just I need to stop because I am just loving this. Yeah, I feel so good. Okay, I will say the contour along the neckline, chin. She'd be a little harsh. Then again, I have a chin now. One singular chin. Yeah, see, that's why. Anyway, I'm going to stop because I am very much sleep deprived. It is like almost 2 in the morning. I had to be up soon. I literally got like an hour. I literally got like hours sleep, went to work, came home, crashed, had to move furniture, then do this. Oh, and then let's not forget eat. So like, I am very much sleep deprived, but at the same time, I am loving how this turned out. I am rambling now, but if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you next time. Also, I just want to say thank you all for the support for this little mini-series, and actually me just coming back. I've been getting a lot of love, and I'm greatly appreciating it, so thank you. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, I know this is a one topic thing, but secret outro.